purchased from Telugu.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you, madam?
I am well, thank you.
Thank you, madam.
On behalf of the teachers, villagers, the stakeholders of the school, Saqani District School, for this year 2016, and most importantly, the children, these are the words of our welcome. Once and for all, Madam, a big binakabakalibu for paying a visit to our school.
When I told my staff to choose a school in a remote area to visit as part of our tour this year, and I'm glad that the staff chose this school because it allowed us to travel all the distance to come and actually see the challenges that you face and to meet up with the children. I think despite the remoteness of this area, your community has done very well. I do understand renovations are going on. That is a sign of progress. That is a sign that your school, even though you are in this remote area near to the largest bay that Fiji has, you are not forgotten. And our visit reaffirms the fact that our government is committed to reaching out to you and seeing how best we can deliver our services to you. So on that note, thank you very much. Our team and I are here on a mission, and the mission is to ensure that we create more awareness about protecting our children. And we want to start off by protecting our children within the schools, and also to put across to the teachers and the community the message that the ministry has, that all our children, regardless of where they are, they're very special. They are our precious God-given gifts, and it is our duty as adults, as teachers, as parents, as community leaders to ensure that our children are protected from any harm. And when I talk about harm, we are talking about physical abuse, we are talking about sexual abuse that is currently an issue for the ministry. And apart from that, we have a few donations that have reached our ministry. We have some stationery packs given to us by Genti Canavan. I'm sure we'll be able to give 20 children those stationery packs. And then we have raincoats that have come all the way from USA, from Samaj Sewa, and that will also be given out to the children here today. And I think this would be a good forum for us to sit and discuss the best way forward for us to work together, the schools, your ministry and my ministry, to ensure that the service that is delivered to our children is of quality. Okay? So we are ready to sit and talk to you. Should you need our assistance, should you have some concerns that you'd like to raise. Like you said, this visit probably has been long pending. I can take back your concerns to your minister in Suva and advise him of the situation here. Yes, sexual abuse is a reality. It's a reality within our community, and we do not want to protect the offenders, right? We want cases to come up for the girls, for those girls, okay? Please ensure that wherever you go, your parents are aware of it, okay? And once you have training within your village, you will be aware of certain things that is right and certain things that is wrong, how somebody touches you, the type of conversation somebody has with you, okay? So those are the things we want you to be aware of. If something wrong happens to you, we don't want you to be scared and not tell your mother, or somebody did this to me, somebody touched me, you know, and I felt uncomfortable. So these are the information that we are trying to bring to communities, and we need parental supervision there, we need the contribution of the teachers there, so that the information goes out to families as well. Because from our experience, many at times families would rather hide it because of the shame on the family. But we are trying to see that people start talking about it openly. As much as we want to protect our boys, protecting our girls from such offenders is also important for us. Time and again, reports are lodged, young girls being molested, sexually harassed. Now that is a reality, and we will have to accept it. So if it is not happening in your community, good luck. But we have to work to ensure that it doesn't happen to any girl child. It doesn't happen to any woman, any young girl within our villages and our settlements. And why we are saying that is many a times we also find out that the offenders are well known. They live within villages, they are well known to families and the victims. So that is something very serious. Okay, it's very serious. So these helpline, I'm sure children, if not you, then your parents can use this. I've been led to believe that the Vodafone signals are pretty strong here. Okay, so this is a toll-free number. Nothing's going to be charged. Many times people think it's a charge service, so my balance will go down. No, this is a toll-free number. At the moment, it's a 12-hour helpline. It's from 8 to 4. And now very soon we are going to make it a 24-hour. So any time of the day, any time of the night, you think you need advice, you think you need to talk to somebody, 1325 would be your number. Okay? Keep this safe, take it home. We'll make sure in the next round every home can have this. Number is very, very simple. What's the number, children?
1325.
Smart, very smart. You are very smart. Don't forget that number. Eh? Okay? Okay. So, like I said, head teacher, thank you very much for having us here. Another reason why we don't give long notices, we don't want to disturb your day and you get into preparation because a team is coming. So, we'll just come, we do our business, we go without putting extra pressure or burden on you or your teachers. Right? So, thank you very much. One for each child, right? But we only have 20 stationery packs.
Thank you very much.